Hello everybody, my name is Matt Warrenhead here, and welcome back to another unboxing video. And it's not a Doctor Who unboxing DVD, and this time it's Marvel DVD. As you can see, the name of the title for this video, it is Captain America Civil War, which is just released today. So, yeah, let's just do unboxing now. Unboxing right now. Well then, what we have here? Here we have a Captain America on the left and Iron Man on the right. And that the Captain America shield, which is red on the right and blue on the left. Which is on the different sides. I'm on Team Iron Man, by the way. So here we have is Captain America on there. Title, Captain America Civil War, age 12. On the back is Captain America and Iron Man fight each other. It is quite similar to the comics, except from in the comics, Iron Man got his helmet off. So here's our Falcon, War Machine, Black Widow, War Machine again, Black Panther, Scarlet Witch, Hawkeye, Ant-Man, Falcon again, and Winter Soldier. And it's quite shame there's no Spider-Man on there. So, yeah. It's 142 minutes. It's 148 on Blu-ray. So, let's take a look inside. Take a look at this. It says Captain America Civil War on the discs. There's a Lisa about movie collection. So yeah, this film is the greatest Marvel movie of the year ever made, which is my #1 Marvel movie. I love this movie so much, so I can't wait to watch this again. So that is all for this video. I hope you like this video. Press like on the bottom, or subscribe, or something. And I will see you guys next month for another unboxing, which is, I know I said it last month again, final Doctor Who unboxing, but I can't afford it, so I might get it next month. So see you guys soon.